Hello student. Today we will do these types of math. In your board exam, in your school exam or in competitive exam, you can see these types of math come. And what is the process to do these types of math? Basically there are two process, one lengthy process and one shortcut method. In this video I will show you all these two methods. So please watch this video carefully and let's go to the math. First, see, this is given root under 12 plus root under 12 plus root under 12 up to infinite. First, we have to take it as one variable. That is, suppose I am taking the variable as x. So, you have to write here x equals to this number. Total number root under 12 plus root under 12 plus dot 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 infinite. Now, if you square two sides, then it will be in the left hand side it will be x square, and in the right hand side the square will be cancelled and it will be 12 plus root under 12 plus root under 12 plus dot 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 infinite. So if you see the last part, see, it looks like the first part that already we take as x. So at the place of this number you can put here x. Now again I am writing the equation as x square equals to 12 plus x. Now x square, if you take x and 12 at the left hand side, then it will be negative, that is x square minus x minus 12 equals to 0. See, this is a quadratic equation, so you can write it as x square minus 4x plus 3x minus 12 equals to 0, normal middle term factor. Or if you take x as common, then it will be x minus 4 plus next 3 common, then it will be x minus 4 equals to 0. Now x plus 3 into x minus 3 equals to 0. Now as this is the quadratic equation, obviously there will be two solution, one x equals to 4 and another x equals to minus 3. Now for the lengthy process there will be two values of x, that is 4 and minus 3. But if you are doing this math for any competitive exam, then in the option there will be only positive numbers, there will be no negative number in the option. So obviously you will mark 4. And for school exam this is the total process. Now I will go to the shortcut method. These types of math basically came in every types of exam. So let's go to the shortcut method. First, you have to take the number, that is 12 here. So you have to split this number 12 in the form of two consecutive natural number. You have to split the number 12 in the product of two natural consecutive number. So 12, you can write 12 as 3 into 4. 3 and 4 are consecutive natural number. So 12 equals to 3 into 4. Now see, if the sign is positive in the question, then your answer will be 4. That is the larger number between these two consecutive natural number. Again I am repeating, if the sign is positive, then the larger number will be the answer, that is 4 here. Now suppose the question is in the question there is given negative sign, that is root under 12 minus root under 12 minus root under 12 minus dot 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 infinite. These types of question also come in the exam. So if these types of question came, then again same process, you have to split the number in the form of in the product of two consecutive natural number. So 12 equals to same number 3 into 4, but here you have to take the smaller number. For negative sign you have to take the smaller number. So if the sign is negative, then the answer will be 3. For positive here will be 4, and for negative the option will be 3. If you like my video and this process, math process, then please subscribe my channel.